'Cause this angel has flown away from
Sabi na kasi tapos ang ganda talaga pala ng langit.
leaving me in drunken misery. I should have clipped her wings and made her mine for all eternity. Now this angel has flown away from me. Thought I had the strength to set her free. I did what I did because I love her so. Will she ever find her way back home to me? Oh.
Dire. Katong istan. Teka lang. Ang ganda kasi. Isisin ko kasi yan kay grandpa. Ang ganyan. Okay guys. Let's go and walk away. Walking on the street. Okay. Kawan me. Bisag gabiing dako. Wala no. It's like a monster. Oh, ang ganda doon. Oh. Ganda doon tanawon. Oh. Diba? Wala mga lalakad. Mayor nag-una. Tamak-tamak pas dagat. Naana po ko ipos ron. Mali man na sila naglakaw. Daming dump truck po. Pwede sa pamugikan.
Dato lagi sa
Mapait yung pag-uli. Adlaw-adlaw na mo mag-open dito. Arang ka-blink ha? Aman. Grabe madam truck ko. Hoy. Si Elias. Dito may sunasan.